Is your 2008-2016 Audi Q5 key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common cause. Replacing it yourself is a simple and cost-effective DIY task, potentially saving you $100 to $300 compared to dealership costs. This video guides you through the process. The 2008-2016 Audi Q5 key fob uses a 3-volt CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. These batteries are readily available at most drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers for around $5 to $10 per pair. Ensure you purchase a quality brand like Duracell for optimal performance. Check the expiration date. You'll only need a few basic tools for this replacement. First, a small flathead screwdriver or a keyring tool to pry open the fob case, possibly tweezers to handle the battery safely. A non-conductive surface is recommended to protect the fob's internal circuitry. Make sure the physical key blade is folded in before starting. Begin by locating the release slot on the side of the key fob. This is usually a small indentation or seam where the two halves meet. Using a flathead screwdriver, carefully insert the tip into the release slot and gently pry the case open. Work around the edges slowly to avoid cracking the plastic. Once the case is open, use tweezers to carefully lift out the old CR2032 battery. Avoid touching the battery terminals with your fingers. Place the new CR2032 battery into the compartment, making sure the positive side marked with a plus sign faces upward toward the circuit board. Align the two halves of the fob and press them together firmly until you hear a click. Test all buttons to ensure the remote functions work properly. When replacing your Audi Q5 key fob battery, safety is crucial to prevent damage and ensure proper function. First, avoid short-circuiting the battery. Handle it carefully during removal and insertion to prevent contact between the terminals. Second, work on a clean, non-conductive surface. This prevents accidental electrical contact that could cause issues. Third, ensure the battery is properly aligned. Check the orientation before inserting to avoid damaging the circuit board. Fourth, if the fob is wet, dry it thoroughly before attempting battery replacement. Moisture can lead to PCB damage. Finally, protect your key fob from exposure to moisture in the future. Store it in a dry place to maintain its reliability. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, double-check the battery polarity and ensure it's making good contact. If issues persist, try a spare battery to rule out a defective battery. In rare cases, approximately 5%, reprogramming may be required, which can be done via Audi's VCDS software or at a dealership for $50 to $100. DIY replacement is straightforward for most users, with a high success rate of over 90% according to online forums, saving significant costs compared to professional services. However, if you're uncomfortable with the process or suspect further damage like water exposure, professional replacement at a dealership provides expert repair and warranty coverage. Key fob technology is evolving. Newer Audi models use smartphone-based keyless entry, reducing reliance on physical batteries. Expect longer life batteries and even battery-free fobs in the future, utilizing kinetic energy harvesting. Consider battery recycling programs for old batteries to promote sustainability. For now, enjoy your freshly powered key fob.